What is a subduction zone, and why is it important for GED science? Imagine two giant pieces of Earth's crust slowly moving towards each other. When they meet, one might slide beneath the other, sinking into the Earth's mantle. This process happens at what we call a subduction zone. It is a special area where one tectonic plate, usually an oceanic plate, moves under another plate, often a continental one. The oceanic plate is thinner and denser, so it sinks beneath the thicker, less dense continental plate. This sinking is called subduction. It is different from where plates pull apart, like at mid-ocean ridges, where new crust is created. Subduction zones are very important because they are sites of some of the most powerful natural events on Earth. When the plates move and one slides under the other, it can cause very strong earthquakes. These earthquakes happen because of the pressure and friction as the plates grind against each other. The movement also causes rocks deep underground to melt, forming magma. This magma can rise up through the crust and cause volcanic eruptions. Many active volcanoes are located near subduction zones. For example, the Cascade Range in the western United States has many volcanoes because of subduction. The Ring of Fire around the Pacific Ocean is another area with many volcanoes and earthquakes caused by subduction. Over long periods of time, subduction zones help shape the Earth's surface. They can push up mountain ranges, create deep ocean trenches, and form new types of rocks through heat and pressure. The movement is slow, often just a few centimeters each year, but over millions of years, it changes the landscape significantly. For students studying for the GED in Earth and Space Science, understanding subduction zones helps explain why earthquakes and volcanoes happen in certain places. It also shows how the Earth's surface is always changing, even if we do not see it happening every day. Knowing about subduction zones helps answer questions about how continents and oceans form and how natural disasters occur. This knowledge is useful for understanding current news about earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. It also helps us see how Earth's geology affects where people live and how landscapes are shaped. On the GED test, you might see questions asking where subduction occurs, what it causes, or how it relates to other Earth processes. Being able to explain subduction zones in simple words and connect them to real-world events will help you do well on these questions.